Hi, this is Richard Marks with MME Consulting Services, home of awesome databases. Hey, I want to take a couple minutes and go over the Clio calendar today. Talk about some basic navigation and some settings that you need to be aware of. I'm going to navigate to the calendar using the left-hand side navigation here. And I've got this set up for work week, and I've made some entries. But the first thing we want to do is we want to come up to More, and we want to go to Calendar Sharing. From here, I want to make sure everyone else in the firm can see my calendar. So I'm going to click on Add Calendar Share. I want to use the defaults. Firm means everybody in the firm, and permissions editor means anyone can edit that calendar. That gives us the best flexibility. So that calendar has been shared. And in this database, here's Richard Marks and here's Robert Brown. We're going to keep it real simple, but Robert shared his calendar. In your database and under other calendars, you're going to see yourself up top, but all the other individuals in your firm and any other special calendars will show up here below. I want to show you some simple entries. One of the things that I've done is created an event here, and let's take a look at how I entered this. I entered an event to review the case with Robert Brown. He's another attorney here in the office. I put in a date and time. I think that's pretty self-explanatory. I entered a location. I linked a matter by simply typing in the matter. And I put this on my calendar. I also selected to add this event to the firm calendar. So a lot of firms want a consolidated calendar that has everyone and every appointment on a single calendar, but also the individual calendars. In addition, I wanted to make sure Robert had this on his calendar, so I simply selected him from the list and as a firm user made him an attendee. So with that, I actually now can come over here and see that. I'll unselect the firm in Robert Brown calendar, and that review case with Robert's on my calendar. I can click on Robert's calendar and see that it is also with his calendar. And I can click on the firm calendar and see that it's also there. And you can see the color coding here. By the way, this color coding is for each of you individually, and you can simply choose the colors you wish, and you'll show them up on your calendar. So here's another example. And on this event, it's a meeting with the client. Here's the matter. And I put it on my calendar and simply added to the firm calendar. Now I could invite attendees, and if I'm meeting with the client, I can actually choose the client themselves. So I can choose somebody with an email address and actually send them a reminder for that event. So here's another example. And here I was able to enter and put this directly on Robert Brown's calendar and simply add it to the firm calendar. So hopefully that helps you with entries. Make sure you share your calendar. And there's some basics. Hope this has been helpful. Again, this is Richard Marks with MME Consulting Services, home of awesome databases. Hoping you're having an awesome day.